In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io LinkedIn integration. By the end, you'll have a clean LinkedIn-focused sequence that sends connection requests, follows up with a message, and nudges engagement by interacting with a prospect's post. Then you'll add contacts and activate it. Start in Apollo by opening sequences. This is where all your outreach workflows live. Choose Create Sequence, then select from scratch so you're in full control of each step. Give your sequence a clear, purposeful name so you and your team can recognize it later. You'll also see a highlight or description field. Use this to note the sequence goal or who it's for, which makes reporting and collaboration easier. Next, pick a schedule that matches your outreach rhythm. Choose the business days and times you want tasks to appear so LinkedIn actions fire when your prospects are most likely to be active. When that looks right, click Create to open the sequence editor. Now add your first LinkedIn step. Click Add a step and choose LinkedIn. Send connection request. Set the task priority to help you triage daily workloads. High for hot segments, normal for the rest. Add a task note to remind yourself what to look for before sending, like mutual interests or recent activity. Then write the LinkedIn connection message. Keep it short, specific, and friendly. Mention something relevant to the prospect so it doesn't feel generic. Personalization tokens can help, but make sure the message still reads naturally. Add your second step by selecting. Add a step again and choosing LinkedIn. Send message. This is the follow-up after a connection is accepted. Keep the tone helpful and value-driven. Refer back to why you reached out and suggest a next step that's easy to accept. Add one more step. Click. Add a step and choose LinkedIn. Interact with post. This encourages light engagement, liking or commenting thoughtfully to stay on the prospect's radar. It's subtle, but it builds familiarity over time. When your steps look good, click. Save changes so nothing is lost. Head to the Contacts tab to load your audience. Click. Add contacts and select Upload CSV. Make sure your file is clean and includes the LinkedIn profile URLs where possible for smoother task execution. When your contacts are in, click Activate. That turns the sequence on and schedules the LinkedIn tasks according to the timings you set earlier. That's it. A simple, focused LinkedIn sequence in Apollo that connects, follows up, and engages, all while staying organized and on schedule. If you found this helpful, get started now and refine your copy as you see what resonates.